So here we are. This is the Z-Story Race Sport with a Thrush muffler on it. Obviously that one's got baffles in it and it sounds quite muscle car. I really quite like that shaking the baffles sound. I like this bit of dual carriageway. So here we are at around about 2,000 revs a second. Nothing's behind me, just waiting to get a bit of a run at it, and here we go. So obviously I'm not pushing the car as hard as it can go because that would get me into illegal speeds very quickly. It's very nice L28 in this car, but which was actually breathed on by some very good engine builders. However, I just want to show you what this exhaust is like cruising, and with the Thrush muffler it's perfectly quiet inside the car when you're cruising. The exhaust comes to life around about 3.6, 3.8, and it's very civilized. There's very little drone. There's a little bit there, but it's not really a drone as such. I mean, it's just every exhaust has got its own resonant frequency, and it's an exhaust engine combination, I guess. There's something in the boot vibrating away, but I love this sound. I'm just going to drive with the window down. Hopefully we don't get too much wind noise, but you can hear what it sounds like with the window down. Let's slow it down a bit. Something really annoying me at the back of this car that's rattling, which is a shame for this video, but at least we got the sound of the exhaust anyway. Snap, crackle and pop right there. Right, that's it for this back box. We'll see you again for the Z-Story Classic muffler.